You are going to love the 2018 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.